Hello everyone, it's Teacher Matt here from OXDA, Oxford English Masters, and today we have a big class for you all about the use of S. This is the intermediate video for the Truphonics course, so we're going to cover what we covered in the beginner course, and we're going to cover some uses of S for pronouns, for plurals, and we've got lots of S words to look at. So big lesson today. Here we go. Okay, in beginner lesson, we learned the simple S for sit. And we learned the two S's, as in ass. And the sh sound, as in shark. And we also learned that for boys, we can also say he. For girls, we can say she. And for objects, we can say it. Also for wild animals, not pets, we can say it. But for pets, which are part of our family and we give them a name, we're probably going to say he or she, not it. And we also use S on the end of the verb in present tense when we have he, she, or it. So as in Anne sits. We can also say she sits. Tom sits. Or he sits. A pig sits. Or it sits. And we also learned about plurals. So normally we add an S to the noun if there's more than one. So, sharks. But if we already have an S on the end of the word, we can't really just add another S. That's crazy. Too many S's. So we have an E before the S. Asses. And here's a new rule just for intermediate level. If we have a Y at the end of the word, we don't add S. Instead, we take away the Y and we add I-E-S, as in babies. Okay, here are some more difficult S spellings. We have some blends here with two letters. Okay, S-C as in scarf. That's a sk sound. We have a scr sound, S-C-R, as in screw. We have a sf sound. PH can make a f sound. So SPH, sf, as in sphere, a 3D circle. In ocean, the C makes a sh sound. Ocean. And in sugar, the S is actually making a sh sound. Sugar. Here we have chef, so the CH is making a sh sound. And here we have station, and here we have TI, but it sounds like a sh, station. And now we have SHR, shre, as in shrimp. And SK, sk, as in skate. Here we have SQ, squir, as in squid. And SL, sl, as in slide. And SN, sn, as in snail. And SP, sp, as in spoon. SPL, spl, as in splash. And SPR, spr, as in spring. ST, st, stairs. STR, str, as in stripes. And SW, sw, as in swing. Wow, Lots of spellings there. Okay, so just to review, S, and that makes a S sound. 2 ways to spell that. Then we have the sh sound, which has a variety of different spellings. And then here are all the blends, which all make different sounds. Shr, sk, squ, sl, sn, sp, spl, spr, st, str, sw. And we also learned he, she, and it adds an S to the verb, sits. And we also learned some plurals, sharks, asses with ES, and babies with IES. Okay, if you'd like to learn more, do head over to OXDA, OxfordEnglishMasters.com, and you can take the beginner Truphonics course completely free. Okay, hope to see you there. Take care now. Bye-bye.